Hello again, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're taking a look at this Harbor Freight grinder, and if you listen for it, you can hear that it's not running right. The RPMs are jumping around all over the place, and it's just not working consistently. This is a quick and easy fix, and most times the tools come with the parts to repair it. Now it doesn't even want to start. So we're going to replace the brushes. One screw at the bottom of the machine, take that off, and you can see the brush holders there, one on each side. One screw on the brush holder, and then you can pull the brush holder out. So there you can see the difference in the new brushes versus the old brushes. And this one got a little bit burnt up. So there you see the difference. There's these little tabs on the brush that go into the brush holder. Make sure these tabs seat correctly. You'll hear them click in, and you can see them in the holder. Let's put it all back together, and it works just like it should. No more weird RPM changes, and it'll just prolong the life of this tool for a little bit longer. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.